Hey guys, Jason here. So I'm just taking away wee jobs in this Scimitar here. I have the stereo in. It's quite nice actually. It's a bit cheap, but it fits in there well. And you've seen all this stuff here. So I was putting my steering wheel on. So this is the steering wheel that came with it. Well, actually it came with two steering wheels. It came with this one, which I think is the original one, and a new one. But I like the wooden one better, so we're gonna use the wooden one. But I put that last wheel wasn't bolted onto the boss, so I bolted this one onto the boss, and the boss was loose. So I was like, oh, I'll just take the nut off and see what's going on here. And there is literally no threads. I don't know if you can get a focus on that there. There you go, no threads left on this whatsoever. So we're gonna have to try and tap this and make something work, because we need to hold the steering wheel on somehow. I came up with a plan here. I went through my box of random nuts and I found an M14 by 1.5 nut, and it is pretty much the right size for what we'll have to tap. And then I've got an M14 by 1.5 die nut in this handle, and I've actually got it started quite easily, surprisingly, because easy is quite hard. Determine if it's going to be straight or not is not a matter, but I hope it is. So I'm going to continue on with this here, tapping this, and then we'll see how we get on. Hopefully this is going to be good enough, because if it's not, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what animal completely wrung that out, because it was basically like no threads on it whatsoever. Okay, so we have, let's focus, we have threads in anyway. They look quite deep, which is nice. Oh, there's nut screw on. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. I don't know where my steering wheel has to go, but my steering wheel won't go on now. Did I fur up the edge then a wee bit? Or is there a certain spot that this has to go on? Right. Suppose I better go get a socket. See if I can nip this up. I just hope this doesn't ring out. There we go. Excellent. Like new. I robbed this from the MG, so we have a center now. Maybe it doesn't fit in this one. No. Okay, it doesn't fit in there, unfortunately. Got to make one. But it's on there, thankfully.